We got more of that summer-like conditions for you today.
I enjoyed it yesterday.
It was nice, right? I think a lot of
Nice
people
taste
did.
of summer.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, it was really nice. We had those thin clouds, and today we have more of them. You can see right now. And this is going to, right in the center of your screen, you can just make out downtown Los Angeles.
Oh,
A little
yeah.
bit of haze. You can just see the taller buildings sticking out of there. So today, we'll see more of those high clouds out there today. Still rather warm and well above average. And then here we go with our temperatures at this hour. 51 in Camarillo. Got a east-southeast wind coming out of Camarillo right now. Along the coast, you do have a little bit of a west wind coming in. Those east winds are also up in the high desert, so temperatures there are in the 60s. We have 60s from Van Nuys over to Burbank, Ontario, mid-60s at that. 64 in San Bernardino, 58 now at LAX. And compared to 24 hours ago, the numbers are down about 2 to 3 degrees. That's actually what we're going to do this afternoon, is bring the temperatures down just a couple of degrees. So most of those clouds, you've got high pressure that kept us pretty warm yesterday, starting to nudge over down to the southwest. Clockwise rotation around that is picking up some of those clouds and pulling up our direction. Plus, you got a system right along the U.S.-Canadian border, counterclockwise rotation there, and that's giving us another reason that's pulling some of those clouds our direction today. So with those clouds in place, temperatures drop 2 to 4 degrees. We're still running about 8 to 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. And it looks like as we go into the start of the week, we'll continue with just more warm conditions, bringing the numbers down about 2 to 3 degrees each day. So just a slow, gradual cooling. But if you like this weather, I think you'll like the week ahead. Travel-wise for the lower 48, once again, a couple of systems have been moving across the eastern seaboard, and we've got more scattered showers right up from New England all the way down the eastern seaboard and down into Florida this afternoon. 82 for a high in Miami, 81 in St. Louis. Some cold, breezy conditions right behind a front that's moving across the Great Lakes region. 54 for a high in Chicago and 74 over to Denver. By the way, the latest U.S. drought map, which comes out every month, shows dry conditions for parts of the Central Valley and over into the southern Sierra. Closer to home, notice this brown color you see here for L.A. and Ventura County. That severe drought conditions also includes northern Orange County. No rain in the next 7 days, just lots of sunshine for you. Highs along the coast, 70s. We drop to 60s as we go through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Mid-80s for the right through LA and OC metro areas, and hovering close to 90 for the valleys today through tomorrow, even into Tuesday. A couple of degrees warmer for the IE. The winds that we'll pick up on Wednesday and Thursday will be out of the north and northeast, and we'll continue to see more sunshine right after that into next weekend.